Hello students, welcome to my channel. This is Shantanu from ARTY KRAFTY. Today we will discuss the Applied Art Practical paper of 12 Standards of CBSE. Today I will show you some examples of illustrations on two major categories. The first one is family and friends in daily life, and the second one is professionals and profession. So let's start. What is applied art? The applied arts are all the arts that apply design and decoration to everyday and essentially practical objects in order to make them aesthetically pleasing. And what is commercial art? Commercial art is the art of creative services, referring to art created for commercial purposes, primarily advertising. Are applied arts and commercial arts the same? Applied art encompasses many areas: commercial art, architectural design and drafting, industrial design, commercial crafts, that is furniture, jewelry, pottery, etc. So, commercial art is a part of applied art. Commercial art applies artistic principles to a variety of fields. The work of commercial art is used to sell, promote, explain, narrate, and inform. They may design media such as advertisement, logos, billboards, brochures, book covers, and product packaging. Commercial art is typically employed by advertising agencies, newspapers, magazines, graphic design firms, television studios, or similar businesses. A student of 12th standard may offer any one of the following course: painting, code number 049, or graphics, code number 050, or sculpture, code number 051, or applied art or commercial art, code number 052. Today I will talk about practical for applied art or commercial art. Maximum mark for practical is 70. Time allotted is 6 hours, 3 hours for illustration and 3 hours for poster. Maximum marks for poster and illustration is 25 each. 20 marks for portfolio assessment. Distribution of marks in each paper is shown. In illustration, 10 marks for composition including quality of drawing, 5 marks for emphasis on subject, and 10 marks for reproducing quality and overall impression. And in poster, layout and lettering 10 marks, emphasis on subject 5 marks, and 10 marks for proper coloring and overall impression and reproducing quality. In portfolio assessment, you have to submit entire year's performance. You have to submit at least 2 illustrations, 2 posters, and 2 works based on Indian folk art. For illustration, the paper size is A4, that is 30 cm into 22 cm approximately. For poster, the paper size is A3, that is half imperial size. Subjects for illustrations are shown. Today, I will show you the first two categories, that is family and friends in daily life and professionals and professions. First of all, you have to understand what is an illustration. An illustration is a decoration, interpretation, or visual explanation of a text, concept, or process designed for integration in published media such as posters, flyers, magazines, books, teaching materials, animations, video games, and films. An illustration is typically created by an illustrator. Illustration also means providing an example either in writing or in picture form. These are the few examples of watercolor compositions on the topic family and friends in daily life. Some paintings are done by renowned artists and some are done by the students of applied art. The second category is professionals and professions. These are the few examples of watercolor composition which comes under this category. Some are done by the artists and some are by the students. Students may download them by clicking the link at the description. Copy the composition on your drawing sheet, get it checked by your art teacher, and then color. These are the two links for learning watercolor painting. The first one is Juliana Swane and the second one is Watercolor by Shibasaki. The links are at the description. You can post your painting at my WhatsApp number for further suggestion. My WhatsApp number is 951 267 1910. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if there is any doubt or query, please put a note at the comment box below. You can download the PDF file of revised syllabus by clicking the link at the description. There is a link for the examples of illustrations of these two categories. You can download them and copy them in your drawing book. See you in the next episode. Bye.